Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out this Ultrasonic Humidifier H101 BPA free. Top fill-in design, smart sleep mode. It's got aromatherapy you can do. Optional mood lights. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So this is how it comes packaged. Nice foam piece on top to protect it. So inside the box, this is the unit. This is your power cable. In here you have a cleaning brush, as also your manual. And also there's this little filter right here. That's where you put your essential oils. Which if you go down here, you press this. Once you press that, a little tray will pop out. That tray will have that filter. You just put your oils in there. And then you go ahead and push it back in. They give you a nice little warning. Do not put your oils in with the water tank. So put your finger through there, pull that up. To align this up, you got two arrows right up here. So just align it up when you put it back on. Take a look inside, fill this up with water. Don't lift this up once you have water inside, or else you're going to spill water everywhere. So keep this where you want, put water in. You're good to go. So my friends, there is a max line. Don't fill the water past the max line. Alright, once you got your water in, you can go ahead, line up this, and plug in the back. Once you have it plugged in, you're going to see that lights might come on and then go off. So you power this on by tapping. You can also change the light color by pressing this little light here. You got multiple colors. Oh yeah, check this out. Look how well that's working. So we have it on high right now. If you tap the power button, you can drop it to low and then off. So high, low, and off. Oh man, that is awesome. Look how well that is working. Check that out. That is so cool having it like that too. Obviously it doesn't spread as far, but if you have it, if you have the little one, well guys, I think it's safe to say this works amazing. Now we just got to add some essential oil and we'll be good to go. Yep, that's working great. You got nighttime mode and you also have timer on here as well.